Today I am going to teach you the second part of who I am, and I shall teach from Rohit's wishes. What does Rohit says? If I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in the magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. Raft means small boat. It means that Rohit wants to travel a lot if he would have a lot of money, because he wants to see mountain of New Zealand, and he also wants to sail down the Amazon River in South America in a small boat. Next, I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Odisha or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old building. It means that he wants to see the natural scenes in all over the world if you would have a lot of money. He want to go to Lakshadweep to see the coral. He want to go to Konark, Odisha to see the Sun Temple. He also wants to go to China to see the old city of Beijing, and he also wants to go to Egypt to see the pyramids. But he wants to enjoy looking natural scenes and old buildings. Now, what is Sarvjit wants to do in his life, and what is his opinion about himself? What makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I could not do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it was not me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got bad marks, they all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. The look on their faces really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I am angry. Sarvjit is saying about himself what makes him angry, that whenever he did not do a work and someone blamed him for doing so, he becomes very angry. And it is natural too. You know that if anyone is blamed without of any reason, then it makes the person very angry for the rest. And he, whenever teacher asks him that why didn't he bring the homework, he says really that someone had, just like Ravi, borrowed his book and did not return, therefore he was not able to solve the homework. But the teacher does not believe him, or whenever he says to his parent that it was not he but his younger brother, who started the quarrel with him, the parents don't believe him that he was speaking the truth, and all these activities of his parents and teachers make him very angry, and whenever he becomes really very angry, then he looks at his shoes and starts to count from 10 to 1 to 10, so that he does not want to show that he was angry. Now, what is Dolma's wishes? When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when sometimes something needs to be done in school. This is Dolma's wishes that she wants to be the Prime Minister of India, but whenever she says so, other people laugh at her, but she has the confidence that she will do it. And everyone in her class, whenever asks her what to do when they have a problem, she solves it, and the teachers in the school also believe her. Next, I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. This is her wishes to do in her life. Therefore, she wants to do as the government wants to do for the welfare of the common people. Now, last, the Peter's wishes. My favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. On this day, my whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see the film. My father gets the ticket in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. Now Peter is saying his favorite day, that is second Sunday, because on this day his whole family always goes to the cinema hall, and therefore he remains very happy for the whole day. And his father also gets the ticket in advance, and then his whole family, including his grandmother, his parents, his brothers and sisters, always take the bus to go there. And in the interval, they all eat peanuts in the darkness of the hall. and eating the peanuts and watching the movies feels him very good, and everyone in the happy mood on that day, and therefore he says that his family is a very happy family. That is the end of the lesson who I am. Now I am going to give you a few words meaning, and after that you will take down in your notebook after reading the words, and then I shall give you a few questions related to the study. You must solve it in your notebook, and whenever you get the time you must show it to me in the school in the fair book notebook. Next day I shall give you the answer of the whole lesson. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.